how to buy a Steam gift card for someone in another country. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. So go to Google and type in Steam gift card, and then we want to scroll down and find the store.steampowered.com URL and then click on Steam gift cards. So the way to send someone in another country a gift card is to send them a digital Steam gift card. Some countries will not be able to redeem physical gift cards if they use a different currency, so we need to send a digital Steam gift card. If we scroll down, it will say that the digital gift card you purchased will automatically be converted into your friend's currency. It's also worth noting that you cannot use Steam Balance, you have to top it up using your card. So let's click on the cheapest gift card because I'm cheap. Click on a friend, then go to continue. And then continue. And you will now have the option to type in your card details and then press purchase.